Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's Wednesday, it's 10 and I have a lot of things to do. And I was about to miss those kind of videos, freestyle, looking for no matter which coffee shop and start vlogging, coding and yeah, talk to you guys to the camera. So let's go find a coffee shop, have a seat and grab a coffee or cappuccino, I don't know, maybe a flat white or a macchiato. There's one down there, not very far. I think it's Montreux Jazz Cafe. And let's start coding, let's start vlogging. Yeah. Oh my god, I just received an email from Buy Me a Coffee from Jacob Sklenika 97 that he bought me basically 3 coffees. Yeah, this is a beautiful community. Tripod here, let's grab my laptop. I think there is one single Montreux Jazz Cafe in every city in Switzerland. So yeah, in Geneva and Lausanne, yeah, and Bern, Zurich, each city in Switzerland, every canton has its own Montreux Jazz Cafe. And it's dedicated to the Montreux Jazz Festival that happens every year in Montreux, actually. You should see that. If you get a chance to come in Switzerland, come to Montreux, it's a beautiful city. If you guys were wondering, those glasses are just for blue light. So like a yellow screen where you're in front of your monitors at the office, in front of your laptop. So and also the white light is coming from the top. Hey guys, as you can imagine, I won't have the IntelliJ license anymore due to the fact that I work for the company I used to work for. So the question for that video, what would you do? Would you pick another IDE? I think on the market the most popular ones after IntelliJ, and it's free, it's VS Code, or you will pick an annual license for IntelliJ because I think it's one of the greatest IDE, especially for backend developers and those who write Java and Angular. So yeah, write in the comment, I'm pretty curious of that one. This guy, Jacob Sklenika, that bought me 3 coffees, awesome. He basically made a loom for me, and yeah, look at this, if I open this one. I should look at this video. Thank you again, Jacob, you're awesome. I've got a comment on YouTube in one of my latest videos, and the guy asked me about IT jobs in Switzerland, and I was looking for that exactly on LinkedIn because I'm currently looking for an opportunity. So I'm actively finding an opportunity in the IT market as a software engineer, and I have to admit that it's pretty tense right now in Switzerland, especially in Romandy, Switzerland, like This is the French part, like Lausanne, Geneva, and I cannot tell you that you will find easily an opportunity, especially if you are a junior developer. And if you're a senior, there are a lot of opportunities, and unfortunately for junior developers, I have to sadly tell you it's a bit complicated. So if you're planning on finding a job in Switzerland, or if you already live in Switzerland and want to find a job, it could be a pretty hectic period and stressful, but very positive market for senior developers. You can go on Swiss Dev Jobs, and this is a link I will put in the description, and there are a lot of opportunities in the whole of Switzerland, in every cantons, German Switzerland, French Switzerland. So you can find opportunities in Zurich and Bern, and there are a lot of opportunities for junior developers in Zurich. Alright guys, I have to go. I'll have to meet my wife and have lunch together in some sort of a cafeteria where they do brunches and all of the midday stuff. So catch you later. It's funny because this morning I accidentally missed my train station, but it turned out to be a happy mistake, because I stumbled upon this cool place and I discovered where Montreux Jazz Cafe is. So I was browsing Swiss Dev Jobs this morning and started thinking about giving to remote opportunities a try, especially in the German-speaking area like Zurich. There are a lot of opportunities for also mid-senior and juniors and junior level opportunities as a software engineer. So why not to give it a try and give myself a chance to find the right opportunities in the German cantons, but remote first. I also need to organize my GitHub repositories, gathering all of the informations and materials and clean up projects. That way, if a tech lead checks it out or a recruiter, will be more easy to understand, well organized and structured, and everything will be clear. Hey guys, I wanted you to notice that I only have those keyboards that I use from Keychron, and this one is just for the design. It's a high-profile mechanical keyboard, but I don't really like the touches. They are chalky and noisy. Yeah, I like it. It's some kind of retro style, but yeah, I like it. But the layout is some sort of US layout. So the reason why I don't want to use other brands is because of the layout. And in Switzerland we have a very precise layout. Is QWERTZ, not Y. So it's pretty difficult to have, as I mentioned in other videos, a different layout. So I cannot work on French layout because we have a lot of accent in French, and when I have to write mail and messages, I need those accents. So this is a very different layout. That's why Keychron is one of the only layout that makes a Swiss ISO layout. So There is also iQnix, but it's pretty expensive and I don't want to spend $200 for the keyboard, and they don't make a short profile, 75% profile. That's why I buy Keychron. Low profile and high profile, but they are very good. This is the gift, a Swiss gift that I sent to a user that I picked from one of my last year video. And so this is a Python scripts and plus I was on giveaway, so I tried to contact again this guy Luis Dami because he actually won the giveaway gift, and this guy lives in Brazil, so I sent him the Victorinox. There are two items in this Victorinox box I sent to him, and the box was stuck at the border, so after 2 months the box came back to Switzerland. Hopefully it was not lost, so I tried to contact Luis Dami. So Luis Dami, your box is still here. If you come back to me, I will send wherever you are, and I think you will be in Europe one of these days, so yeah, keep me posted, get in touch with me and I will send the box to you. Okay, so opening my test dashboard Node project with the React front end and Express backend, I noticed that I forgot to put and commit a .nvmrc file, and this file is important defining the Node version, so because the version I'm using currently in my daily work for other projects and also the project I had on the laptop for the company are a different version, so the version 18 perhaps won't work if I type npm install. So if I had an nvm RC file in each folder, backend and front end, I would have known if my current version that I'm using it works for that project. Probably not, because this project I created was in version 17 or 16. Now I'm using Node -v. It prints 18, so yeah. Okay, npm install in both front-end and back-end worked. I didn't expect that. Expect maybe some errors installing because of the dependencies management in Node that forces you to have a specific version. But I have a lot of vulnerabilities, and Axios, for example, 1.3.3, it's completely linted by the vulnerability high, and I should update this. I really should migrate because I have the Red Hat dependency analytics report. It's red, like warning with a huge triangle, and Express, I should migrate to socket.io. I've also heard that Node.js now integrates natively the WebSocket. So let me know in the comment if you know what I'm talking about, or if you know information that I don't, because I took a little break from Node.js world. So yeah, let me know in the comments exactly what I know. So in the front end I have Axios that I should update as a priority, a high priority. In the back end I have Express and socket.io and other dependencies, of course.